The first all-new 2021 Ram 1500 TRX built the quickest, fastest, and most powerful truck ever, sold for $410,000 at the Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale auction on Friday, March 26th. The United Way for Southwest Michigan's 211 helpline, which provides services to veterans and their families, receives all the proceeds raised from the auction. The TRX VIN 001 auction at Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale is one of 702 Ram 1500 TRX Launch Edition models, commemorating the most powerful truck with 702 horsepower straight from the factory. The 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Launch Edition is limited to 702 units and sold out in less than 3 hours. TRX VIN 001 winning bid included a unique authentication kit that includes a presentation box with a bound book custom developed by the Ram brand team, which highlights the vehicle's design development, exclusive photos and video, a Speed 4 model, and a Ram truck cover developed by the vehicle's design team.
What's special about this truck is that it's VIN number 1 of the Launch Edition. The Launch Edition has this special anvil colored paint, and it has an interior center console badge that shows and proves that it's VIN number 1, decorated in red versus normally it's black. And again, it's a limited production run that just celebrates the launch of the vehicle, and it's been met with just great enthusiasm, and it's sold out in less than 3 hours. So today is a very symbolic day of the first one coming off the line. The membership here at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant has just been outstanding, as witnessed by the quality awards we've been receiving. J.D. Powers, as well as others, are really recognizing that Ram has come a long way in recent years, and it's all because of what the team here at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant has been doing, our engineering community. It's really getting accolades in the market, and we just couldn't be more proud of the overall team here.
We're here today to introduce the first Ram 1500 TRX came off the line today. It is Motor Trend's Truck of the Year. This is the second truck at this facility, built at this facility, that has won that prestigious award. This plant has come a long way. So if you think about it, 3 or 4 years ago when we first launched the 1500 truck, it was the first truck ever built inside these 4 walls. This has been known mainly as a car facility, an auto facility. So to not only learn how to build a Ram truck, but also to master building a Ram truck, it's extremely proud for all of the entire membership here at this facility. It's just another example of how we all pull together to understand the importance of launching a vehicle. It takes a lot of man hours to do such a thing, but more importantly, it takes a full membership to be engaged. Not only to understand everything that comes along with the launch, but to actually put the vehicle together as well. So I think they're extremely proud to see and hear this vehicle come off the line.